things I wanted to bring up is you go to a holiday party, and as we talked about, sometimes they're delicious, but they not always be the healthiest of snacks or appetizers. So what can you bring to a party that might be more on the healthy side?
Yes, that's really up to you. What's your specialty? What's something that maybe you can tweak here and there? If you have a sweet tooth, for example, that you know you love desserts, one of the things that I would recommend is maybe making a dessert yourself that you can cut back on the sugar, for example. That's a secret that a lot of people don't know. When you cut back the sugar on the recipe by half, which sounds like a lot,
right?
Most people don't even notice, and you're cutting back on the calories that way. With the crust, there's different ways you can do. There's, for example, almond flour that has much lower carbs than with the regular flour. Those little tricks can help along the way.
Right. Even vegetable dishes that can be healthy.
Exactly. I was going to say that, but we know that during these holidays, most people bring starchy plates, desserts, things like that. But why not be the person that brings something healthy so that at least you stay on track, but maybe you also help somebody else find out that they actually like zucchini. Or
I mean, that right there is so delicious.
Beautiful.
Like a grilled zucchini, grilled eggplant, squash.
This is the time of the year to experiment with roasted vegetables. They taste great because the heat caramelizes some of that, the natural sugars that the vegetable has, and the crispiness. It's something that a lot of people would like. Just experimenting with roasted vegetables, or even if it's just a holiday salad. Most people think of a salad as maybe just lettuce and tomato, but it doesn't have to be like that. It could be a beautiful kale with some cranberries, some pomegranate seeds, a little bit of goat cheese, for example, and then a nice balsamic dressing. That would be a beautiful salad that, you might not know that you like it until you try it.
So if you can be holiday salad.
Exactly. If you can be the person to introduce that to somebody, even better.